If you happen to have a diaper box and an extra book handy, consider upcycling them for your kids' enjoyment. The sky is the limit. I will be showing you how I made an airport by spending next to nothing. You will begin by opening one side of the box using a box cutter or very sharp scissors. This side will fold down, which will create a more spacious place for imaginative play. Then you will cut each of the top flaps off of the box. Because the bottom flaps are raised a bit higher than the rest of the floor level, you will want to even that out by using double-sided tape and the pieces of cardboard that you previously removed. Next, cover the floor level with poster board. This will give a nice solid color pop as your base. Then use your box cutter to remove the pages from the book's spine. Be sure to use a book that has lots of large bright images and very few words. Cover both the outside and the inside of your box with the book's pages, using double-sided tape and packing tape for smooth edges. This process will go much more smoothly if you use a board book, but don't let paperback deter you if it has the images you really want to use. Adding graphics, also from the book, really pulled this project together. Throw a themed toy or two in there, and you have the perfect invitation to play. Stay tuned for my next video for tips to keep kids entertained on an airplane. And subscribe to my YouTube at Allison's Wonderland for more projects.